In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Elementor header sticky, a very handy feature that can enhance the navigation experience for your website visitors. This keeps your header visible as users scroll down the page, making your menu and brand always accessible. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, we need to install a plugin to get started. Go to the Plugins section on your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New, and in the search bar type Sticky Elementor. Once you see the plugin appear in the results, go ahead and click on the Install Now button. After it installs, you'll see the option to activate it. Don't hesitate, click Activate. This action will enable the plugin on your site, allowing us to make your Elementor header sticky. Moving on to the next step, we'll head over to the Elementor editor. Find and select the header container you wish to make sticky. Typically, this is located at the top of your page layout. With your header container selected, look to the left-hand panel and click on the Advanced tab. This section is home to various settings that control advanced features, and this is precisely where we want to be for our task today. Within the Advanced settings, you'll see an option labeled Sticky Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and toggle the sticky option to on. Immediately, you'll notice a few more options pop up. Here, you can define how exactly you want your sticky header to behave. Start by setting its position. Typically, you'll set it at the top of the page, but this can be adjusted depending on your design preference. Next, let's adjust the offset. This setting ensures there's a small gap between the top of the viewport and your sticky header. Experiment a little here to get the right amount of spacing that fits the aesthetic of your site. Moving down the settings, you'll also see options to define the device. This allows you to decide whether your header should be sticky on desktop, tablet, or mobile views, giving you control over the responsiveness of your header. And finally, don't skip the scroll animations option. This is a fun way to add a little flair to your website. You can choose to have your header fade in, slide, or use other animations to create a more engaging user experience. Try different settings to see what works best for your site. The best part about all of this is there's no need for a pro upgrade. This means you can enjoy enhanced navigation features without incurring additional costs, which is always a plus. That wraps up our guide on making your Elementor header sticky. By following these steps, you're set to provide an improved and user-friendly browsing experience on your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy web designing.